Good morning, all of you. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, Bhumika Joshi. I study in class 12 PCM at Sri Sai Public School. Today, I am here to share my views about Environment Day. Let's see this. Environment Day. World Environment Day, celebrated on June 5th around the world, helps spread awareness about protecting and taking care of our environment and was an initiative started by the United Nations. June 5th was declared as World Environment Day by the United Nations General Assembly at the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment in 1972. The first World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 in Spokane, USA with theme Only One Earth. Every year, a different country hosts this day with a theme and slogan. China was the host for 2019. The slogan was Beat Air Pollution. The theme for 2020 is Biodiversity, and the hosts are Colombia and Germany. The theme Biodiversity was chosen given the recent bushfires, locust infestations in East Africa, and the COVID-19 pandemic. It involves governments, businesses, environmentalists, as well as citizens to promote a greener future. Global fairs are held. Schools encourage students to make posters and banners. Street rallies are performed, art exhibitions and various contests are held. It is a global platform to promote environment conservation and sustainable development. Let's see, why do we celebrate World Environment Day? Every year, the world celebrates World Environment Day on 5th June to raise awareness about environmental health and to prevent its further damage by taking preventive measures. Moreover, to also take various preventive measures to avoid the effects of global warming. Since we all know that global warming is the root cause of the ruin of our environment, therefore, it is our duty to protect our environment and stop all the exploitation that is destroying it. Because in the end, it is our basic need for our survival and our generation ahead. The World Environment Day in 2020 has come amid an enormous disruption due to the novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 pandemic and ensuing measures to curb it. Several countries across the world have taken to enforcing lockdown. In India, millions have lost their livelihood and more than 200,000 have already been infected by the virus. At the same time, people living in the polluted metropolis like Delhi have marveled at a drastic improvement in air quality and clear blue skies. World Environment Day also raises issues like food waste, crop yield, and water storage. The main motive is to show that when people work united for a noble cause, results are positive. An earth anthem penned by poet Abhay K is sung to celebrate World Environment Day. Now we will see the importance of environment for various roles in life. For healthy living, better breath, better water, better rainfall, better soil and better plant. Whole idea of World Environment Day is to create a natural and beautiful world free of pollution. Banning plastics, recycling, saving water, planting more trees, saving wildlife are some of the steps which led us to better environment. If we do not take proper step to save natural resources, everything will deplete one day and we will be left with nothing like water and fresh air. It is our responsibility to save our mother nature and protect it from pollutions and other hazards. The last line that I would like to say about this topic is, if humanity has to live for a long time, you have to think like the earth, act as the earth, and be the earth, because that is what you are. Thank you.